Good morning, traders. It is March 25th, 2024, approximately 5:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The chart you see in front of me, this is the dollar index according to the M4. We are looking at a prediction area and forecast of around 105.02. This can happen anytime today. The next chart here, we're looking at Euro USD, and we are looking at targeting the 1.09 area. The chart here you see is the GBP USD, and we're looking to target the 1.28 area. Please keep in mind that there could be some downside to this, as prices can go to the 1.26 zone before retracing back up. For USD CAD, we're looking at about a 1.37 area. For USD CHF, we're looking at about 0.91 area. USD JPY, we're looking at 152.42. And for gold, we're looking at 2176.78. And also for this one, just keep in mind that there could be a drawdown to around the 2142 zone. For XRP, we're looking for a swing up to the 0.63 area. And last but not least, we've also got BTC USD. We're looking at targeting 68025.20. As always, keep your stop losses tight, but also not too tight that you miss the opportunity. Try and work with a trailing profit so that you don't miss more opportunity, and don't risk any more than 2% of your total account at any time. That includes all trades. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.